Hello, this is Amy, here with a reveal of the new Elephantastic Elephants 4x6 clear stamp set from Whimsy Stamps. This set is part of the January 10th release and features 3 adorable elephants, 3 balloon shapes, and the sentiment, Elephantastic. Let's stamp this out and see what these images would look like. I think these would make an adorable baby card or even a thank you card. Let's take a look at these images colored with alcohol markers. These elephants would look cute watercolored as well. I am sharing 2 projects that I made with this stamp set. Here I made a background from the balloon-shaped images, and for the other, I colored and cut the elephant images and paired them up with the Slimline Builder die. Thank you so much for joining me on the Whimsy Stamps channel for this reveal of the Elephantastic Elephants stamp set, and I hope to see you soon. Have a crafty day.